Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. That's Marv out there idling away, as you saw from the cold start short. If you can hear, I'm still a little congested. I'm still a little winded. I still got the Rona. There's still things that I can do. Like everybody, let me pull you back a little bit. Like everybody, I make excuses, right? I got the Rona. I don't feel good. I'm sick. There's stuff that I don't have screws to finish skinning my oven. I started skinning this oven with tech screws, and I shouldn't have done that because wherever it overlaps, it makes a gap. I should have used rivets. I don't have a rivet gun, and I will seal that up with some sealant and cover it with some tape, and it'll be fine, but it would have been better to have done that with rivets. Anyway, there's still things I can do. Even though I don't have screws, I'm not going to go into the store and get anybody sick because I want tech screws. I'll just wait. My wife's almost over it. She's cleared to go back to work Sunday. She's a nurse. So I'll have her give me some tech screws. But I can still work on stuff. This table belongs over there up against the wall, kind of where my welder's at, below the window there. I can move it. I built this shitty table to lay everything out to build my CNC table on, and I ran out of like socket organizers and stuff, but I got one, so I brought it up here. I'll put my sockets on the organizers as I can. You know, I can clean up, I can police my shit, basically, and everything that I do, everything that you do, the whole point of this video is that, you know, every single thing you do, if you do one thing a day, you're a step closer than you were the day before. So this is a downpipe that I got for Marv because it leaks. The stock one leaks like a bitch. It's really nice. It was like 80 bucks on eBay. I see people paying, I don't know, like $130, $140 for one that's not stainless. This one's stainless and thick and it's good quality. But anyway, when the transmission comes out, that'll go in as a repair and upgrade at the same time. I don't think that I'm going to do a lot to Marv. I kind of had the idea, and I might still do it, of going down south and picking up a rust-free cab for it, because they're only a few $100. It's cheaper than patch panels, and you wind up with a better cab. But in the short term, I think I'm just going to pull that transmission here next week and rebuild it over the winter. But I'm going to go ahead and clean some of this stuff up. I'll bring you guys back in like an hour when I'm done and show you the progress that I've made. Because every day, we can all do something that makes us closer to our goals than we were the day before. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. So let's take a look at what I've done. I filled that bag with trash. I got the Toyota in here. I actually had the Jeep in here, my wife's Jeep, and changed the oil. Then I brought the Toyota in here. I have some things to do to this. At the very least, I need to fix the alternator or replace the alternator. It's not charging, but it's an LS alternator, so it's the same one that's on Darrell. So I'll probably just do a swap-a-roo. I got a bunch of this stuff cleaned off the hood of my truck. It may not look like it, but I got a bunch of stuff cleaned off here and organized in the socket trays. I moved the oven over. I moved my table over. I got to decide where I want it, if I want it, which side of the pole that I want it, and where I want to build. I have an industrial air dryer and my big plasma cutter. I'll probably build a shelf and put them both, maybe a double shelf. I don't really know how I'm going to do it, but it's okay. I'll figure it out as I go. So yeah, I took care of that. I cleaned up a bunch of this crap. I made a bigger mess. I don't know if it's bigger, but I made a mess. I started Darrell and revved it up for no reason. Yeah, progress. It's progress. I got things done. I'm ready for my daily 2-hour nap that I'm taking nowadays. And I feel pretty okay, though. So I thank everybody for all your well wishes and everything. I do appreciate it. For me, it's turning out to not be such a big deal. My wife is more or less over it now. I think she still has a few coughs, but I drank 5 beers. That's an accomplishment. So yeah, a little bit a day goes a long way. You know, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So, yeah, I got some stuff done today, at least. Don't make excuses. That's the point of this video. You know, don't make excuses. I can make excuses. And to be honest, I didn't get as much done as I could have, but I didn't push as hard as I could have. But I'm okay with that because I did get some stuff done. So I'll be back tomorrow to do more stuff. I hope you guys got some stuff done today. And let me know in the comments what you're working on and what you've been getting done lately. And I thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this motivates you. Like, it really doesn't matter if all you do is go out and pump up a tire or something. Which reminds me, I have to go pump up a tire on my father-in-law's truck. But probably not today. It's dark out now, even though it's 5:30. Welcome to Michigan. Yeah, whatever it is, you know, you can do something, and it gets you further along than you were before. So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope that you're out there working on your stuff and achieving your goals. And I really appreciate all the well wishes and all the views. I appreciate every view that I get. I mean, you guys are giving your time to me, and I appreciate that. I know that you have many choices when it comes to YouTube entertainment. Thank you for choosing the Driveway Engineer. But yeah, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go home, hang out with Coconut, take a warm shower, probably cough my head off for a while. But we'll be back tomorrow, and we'll do it again, and we'll continue on until we get to the top of the mountain. See you guys.